Did you know that pilau is consumed nearly all over the world? Beef pilau is a classic in East African cuisine, especially in Kenya, Tanzania, and coastal regions like Mombasa and Zanzibar. To make a healthy version of East African-style beef pilau, you mainly focus on using lean beef, moderate oil, and fresh, natural ingredients without too much fat or salt. Before we continue, press the subscribe button, like, and the bell. Ingredients: 500 grams lean beef, cubed, 2 cups basmati rice, preferably rinsed and soaked for 20 minutes, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, or use less. Avocado oil is a good healthy option. 1 large onion, finely sliced, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon ginger minced, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 to 2 green chilies optional sliced, 1 large carrot grated or finely diced optional for added nutrition, 4 cups beef broth or water, preferably homemade or low sodium, salt to taste, use sparingly, fresh coriander for garnish. Pilau spice mix, homemade and healthier. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cardamom seeds or 3 to 4 pods, 1 small cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. You can dry roast the whole spices slightly and grind them for more aroma. Toast and grind the spices. In a dry pan, lightly toast cumin, coriander, peppercorns, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves until fragrant, which should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Cool and grind them into a powder, mix with turmeric. Alright, let's brown the beef. In a large heavy pot, heat 1 tablespoon of oil, then brown the beef cubes lightly. Once done, remove them and set aside. Now let's prepare the base. In the same pot, add the remaining oil. Sauté the onions slowly on medium heat until they turn a deep golden brown. This step is crucial as it gives the pilau its signature color and flavor. Remember to stir constantly to avoid burning. Next, add the garlic, ginger, and chilies and cook for another minute. Time to spice it up. Add your freshly ground pilau spices. Stir for a few seconds to release that wonderful aroma. Now, it's time to add some chopped tomatoes and carrots, if you're using them. Let them cook until the tomatoes break down and the mixture starts to thicken up nicely. Return the browned beef to the pot. Add 4 cups of broth or water. Season with a little salt. Bring to a boil, then simmer covered for about 20 to 30 minutes until the beef is tender. Drain the soaked rice. Add the rice to the beef mixture, stir gently, then cover tightly. Cook on low heat for about 20 minutes without uncovering until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. For extra fluffiness, after cooking, turn off the heat and let the pot sit undisturbed for 10 minutes. Fluff with a fork. Garnish with chopped fresh coriander. Use brown basmati rice, which needs longer cooking and more broth. Reduce oil to just 1 to 2 tablespoons if you want it extra light. Add vegetables like peas, spinach, or zucchini. Skip seasoning cubes like Royco or Maggi and rely on natural spices for flavor. Do not forget to subscribe.